Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making Khasta Aloo Kachori in appe pan. Crispy outside, soft and flavorful inside. A snack you will love any time of the day. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. And 1/4 cup semolina or suji. Mix well. Adding semolina in the dough gives that perfect khasta or flaky texture. This dish is often served as a breakfast or evening snack with chutney or tea. Pour in half cup water and knead into a dough. Kachori is believed to have originated in Rajasthan centuries ago. Traditionally, kachoris are deep fried, but today we are making a lighter version in appe pan. Rub a little oil and keep aside. Now for the stuffing, heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 teaspoon crushed coriander seed, 1 teaspoon crushed cumin, half teaspoon ginger garlic and 1 teaspoon green chili. Cook for 30 seconds. Add 2 boiled mashed potatoes, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon coriander powder and mix. Squeeze in 1 teaspoon lemon juice and add fresh coriander leaves. Always keep the stuffing dry to prevent soggy kachoris. Finally, add 2 tablespoons boiled green peas and mix well. Keep aside. Now take small portion of dough, fill with the potato stuffing and cover well. Seal the dough edges tightly so the filling doesn't spill. Heat a little oil in appe pan. Cook the kachoris on low heat for 5 minutes. Cooking on low heat makes them crisp without burning. Flip and cook another 2 to 3 minutes until golden and crisp. Using appe pan reduces the oil compared to deep frying. Potatoes provide energy and keep you full for longer. Green peas add protein and fiber. Homemade snacks like these are cleaner and healthier than store-bought fried foods. Khasta Aloo Kachori is ready, golden crispy and bursting with flavors, perfect with a hot cup of tea. Would you enjoy your kachori with green chutney or tamarind chutney? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies.